In the first question, it says, which team has the least number of points and how many points do they have? So if you look at the teams, we have 4 teams: Sunderland City, Manchester Rovers, Liverpool United, and London Town. They've given us the wins, the draws, and the losses for each. If they win a game, they have 3 points. If there's a draw, it's 1 point, and loss has 0 points. So if we count the points for Sunderland, we have 1 win, so that's 3 plus 5 draws, so 5 points. So that's going to be 8 because losses don't have a point. For Manchester United, we have 2 wins, so it's going to be 2 times 3 plus 1. That's going to be 7. Then for Liverpool United, we have 3 wins, so 3 times 3 is going to be 9. And lastly, for London Town, we have 0 wins, 9 draws, so 9 points. So if you write down the points over here, 9, 9, 7, 8. So as you can see, the Manchester Rovers has the least number of points, and the points are 7. The next question says, work out 5.18 divided by 7. So 5.18 divided by 7. Just bring the decimal up and treat 518 as 518 now. So we know 5 is a number that does not come in the 7 times table because it's less than 7. And 51 is a number that's greater than 7. So maybe that comes in the 7 times table or something less than that. We know 7 times 7 is 49. And 7 times 8 is 56. So 51 is in the middle of 49 and 56. And since it doesn't come in the 7 times table, we're going to take 49. So 7 times 7 is 49. 51 minus 49 is going to be 2. Bring the 8 down. 7 4s are 28. Which means 0.74 is your answer. Then work out 0.8 times 1.2. Let's rewrite 0.8 and 1.2 as fractions. So I move the decimal 1 place to the right, which makes 0.8 as 8 over 10 and 1.2 as 12 over 10. We can multiply 8 and 12 and 10 and 10. 8 over 12 is basically 96. And 10 times 7 is 100, so your answer is going to be 0.96. Then it says Mrs. Jenkins is a farmer. Her field is 18 meters long and 8 meters wide. Each chicken requires at least 3 meters square. What is the maximum number of chickens Mrs. Jenkins can keep? So let's start with finding the area of the farm. Area is length times width. There's going to be 18 times 8, which equals to 144 meters square. Each chicken requires at least 3 meters square. So for the number of chickens, we will divide the total area by the area required by each chicken, which will be 48. So 48 is the maximum number of chickens Mrs. Jenkins can keep. Then it says solve 2 times 4x minus 1 equals to 18. So we will expand the bracket by multiplying 2 with 4x and with negative 1. So 2 times 4x plus 2 times negative 1 equals to 18. 8x minus 2 equals to 18. Bring the 2 to the other side. So it's going to be 8x equals to 18 plus 2 now. Whenever you take a term from one side to the other side, its sign changes. Hence, negative 2 is positive 2 on the right-hand side. 8x equals to 20. X equals to 20 divided by 8, which can be simplified to 5 over 2, which is 2.5. Then it says work out the area of the circle. So as you can see, they've given us the radius. Radius is your distance from the center to the circumference of the circle. State the units for your answer. So area of a circle is pi r square. Pi times 5 square, which will give us 78.54 centimeter square. That is your answer.